Here is the Army duck, Korean style here. Oh, you were on that one, huh? Let me get a little video of this one here. That is pretty cool. Just Korean miniature. That's a 43. Huh? Okay. That's thinking. Very cool. Now we'll go look at this one. This is
same way coming out. You hit it and just hit the gas.
1943. How you doing? So what is this called?
GPA.
A GPA from World War II.
Yes, sir.
Well, they must not made too many of these. Pretty rare, huh? Wow. Pretty neat.
I think it's going to be cool. I should have a good.
Got a what? The single propeller.
And then the drone. I got some really good drone shots. Yeah, send me whatever you think is.
Oh yeah, the rudder pedal. We had a little water. We pulled out at that little ramp down there.
Yeah. Oh, they got a little bilge pump in there or something? Neat rig.
Post it on Facebook.
I've
seen those videos. Anywhere they want.
6 to 9 years to do what?
restored.
Oh, restore it, yeah, imagine.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah.
I'll see you down there. No, I'll.
Well, there's the duck. I'll be riding in that in the parade. Well, there's the Army duck, 40s, somewhere in the 40s model there, World War II. I'll be riding in that. And here you got the Mystery Machine. Kind of a little after my era, Scooby Dooby.
That's awesome.
It's a 1945. Hey Tom, he's got 1945 on his sticker here.
45. Okay.
Yeah, 45.
What's it like driving this? Yeah, that's a good question.
The guns. Looking good up there. Man in the guns. We're getting ready to go. There's our gunner. Man in the 50 cal, right?
Yep, 50 cal.
You got the wrong helmet on though for American. You got the wrong helmet on for American though.
I stole from a crowd.
Oh, there you go. And we got a whole load of people back here. Even a whole daycare center. Compass for seagoing. All the instruments here. Sand, mud, coral. Wonder what the coral adjustment is. Oh, tire pressure. Oh, I see.
Yep.
Got your spotlight there. And here's the 50 cal up there. And the operator of the 50 cal. Gotta engage the axles. Front axle, rear axle. Plugs for the hole here, I guess. She's doing her thing up there. Yay! The gunman up there. Fun, fun, fun. That was a fantastic ride. Thank you very much. I appreciate that.
Yeah, no problem.
That was great. Well, that was a lot of fun driving that. Well, yesterday was the parade and today's the car show, so I'm gonna look at a few of the cars here. I'm a little bit early, but Most of them are here, I think. They're trying to get under the shade trees, so. Quite the rat rod there. Look at that thing. Got the X's on the back. Wow. Nice job on it. The rat rod. Quite the deal. Who recognizes the front end of one of these babies? The Studebaker. Oh, that's a neat chair. Pretty cool. Nice Ford. 55 Chevy. Looks like an original Volkswagen. I would say a 66 or 67. 62. I got that wrong. Yeah, pretty much original. Here's the old Jeep section with my brother's Korean War Jeep. Got the original radio in the back. I've seen them before, but yeah. Yeah, it's a really nice retractable. What are these, 59 or something they made these? 57, yeah. Oh. Wow, beautiful. Wow. Even got the old air conditioner in there.
Felt seat.
Yeah, boy, that is really nice, isn't it? Yeah, they said it was something like 17 motors or something like that. A lot of motors to make it all work. Quite the concept. The purple people eater. Pretty interior. There's a 28 for sale. Cute little truck. Lots of pretty machines. An Etzel wagon.
Yeah, I didn't know because back then I was like, I don't know.
Take home with you and buy it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I like that. You know what? My favorite one right there is this one right here. This retractable.
I like that too.
Well, this retractable right here. That thing is like amazing restoration on that thing. Look at that.
Some people too.
I got a tiger in my tail. No, tiger in my tank. French fries. Oh, I'm getting hungry. Yeah, another Ford.
What would you call that?
I don't know, kind of a
It's
not pink and him.
not the salmon color.
So what do you think of this car show?
Well, I think it's getting bigger every year.
That area definitely blew up a lot.
Oh, the flathead.
Yeah, distributor, everything, spark plugs, all these connections are all waterproof connections.
It's almost like an airplane.
Yeah, look at the size of that generator. This one have magnetos or just regular distributor?
Look at the size of the radiator.
I know, right?
Everything
Pretty cool.